Welcome back to the channel. Enter a true champion of maritime safety, Samuel Plimsoll. A British politician and social reformer in the 19th century, Plimsoll became an ardent campaigner against coffin ships, vessels sent to sea overinsured and dangerously overloaded. His efforts and persistence, despite strong opposition from powerful ship owners, culminated in the passing of the Merchant Shipping Act of 1876 in the UK. This was a monumental first step, establishing the principle that a safe loading limit must be defined and marked on a ship's hull. Initially, the use of load marks was voluntary, often called the Plimsoll Mark. However, the need for international mandatory regulations quickly became apparent as ships crossed borders and jurisdictions. The global nature of shipping required a unified approach. This led to the International Convention on Load Lines, first adopted in 1930 and significantly revised and updated in 1966 by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO. The 1966 Convention is the foundational document we use today, making the assignment and marking of load lines mandatory for all ships engaged in international voyages, generally those over 24 meters in length. These rules are designed to ensure that a ship has sufficient reserve buoyancy, the volume of the ship above the waterline, to safely handle the stresses of waves and weather, preventing water from coming onto the deck too easily and compromising stability. It's a series of lines painted or welded onto the middle of the ship's side, known as the midships section. The center of this entire system is the Plimsoll disc itself. This is a ring intersected by a horizontal line, indicating the maximum permissible depth to which the ship may be loaded in summer salt water. The top of this line is known as the summer load line, or S line. Let's break down the main lines you see. S stands for summer, the standard reference. The other lines are determined relative to this one. W is the winter load line, and it is drawn lower than the S line. Why lower? Because in winter, rougher seas are expected, so the ship must ride higher, maintaining more reserve buoyancy for safety. WNA stands for Winter North Atlantic, and it's even lower than W, recognizing the extreme and notorious weather conditions often found in that specific region. Conversely, T is the tropical load line, which is higher than S. The waters in tropical zones are generally calmer, allowing for a deeper loading depth while still maintaining safety. F is the freshwater load line, and it's higher than S because freshwater is less dense than saltwater. When a ship moves from freshwater, like a river or lake, to the sea, the increase in water density causes the ship to float slightly higher, naturally bringing the F mark up to the S level. Similarly, TF is the tropical freshwater load line. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like, and share. Thank you.